Hey! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Motorola device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to disable it, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, tap on display, choose advanced and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!